Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Soham Sharma. I'm a research analyst here at StockEdge. And today we will be explaining some of the features here at StockEdge app. So as you can see, my screen is visible to everyone and my audio is okay. Just a quick confirmation of the chat box will be helpful. Okay, I think I'm audible to everyone and my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, so today this is the web version of StockEdge app. So if you open in your StockEdge mobile version, it will give you the same features. Okay, so today's smart session will be explaining some of the features which are news and updates, FII activity. So basically how you can track the smart money in the stock market. Next, we'll be explaining the IPO feature here at StockEdge. And lastly, we will explain how you can create your portfolio in StockEdge and how to create a watch list. Okay, so all of these features will be explaining over the time of 30 minutes. First of all, I will start with news and updates, then FII activity, DI activity, along with IPO. So if you have any questions in the meanwhile, just wait for a while. Once I'm done with this three features, then I'll ask if anyone has any question, then they can put it in the chat box. Okay, I hope that's clear to everyone. So I'll start with the news and update features. So here in the market, you can see news and update section is there. So this is basically live data. So throughout the market hours, you can see news coming in. So as you can see today, Monday, 4th of November, and majorly during the quarterly seasons as the quarterly results are coming in. So you can see majorly the news is basically on the quarterly results update, like IRFC has proposed these total income of this and this. So news and announcement, if you go to the subheading of this announcement, so basically any kind of announcement which the company make to the exchanges, the filing made to the exchanges, it will come under this section. But other than this, the news and updates are everything is not EOD, and it will be updated throughout the day during the market hours as well. Okay, coming to the next section, which is the upcoming section. So here we have segregated the corporate action events like bonus, dividend, rights issue, split or consolidation. So in this section, you will see any stock which is giving any kind of corporate action activity, right? Like the Colgate Palmolive has given an interim dividend of 24 rupees per share today. Okay, Global Education has given 2.5 rupees per share today. So these are basically all the corporate action for today. And if we want to segregate this, I would just wanted to see which of the companies are giving dividends today. So click on dividend. And as you can see, these are the companies giving dividends. If I click on bonus, so as you can see, this company called Corpster Agro Limited is giving a bonus of 2:1. And okay, so that's for 8th of November, right? It's upcoming, not today. As you can see, date-wise, it has been segregated as well. Coming to the event section, so any kind of major event coming in, like the US presidential election tomorrow, there's the US presidential election. So there's a major event coming in. So you can see the upcoming events, there will be listed. So 7th of November, you can see Bank of England interest rate decision will be taking in. Then Fed interest rate decision will be taken on 7th November. So any kind of major economic activity or related to stock market activity, it will come under this upcoming event section, right? So these are very important thing, and while trading in the stock markets or investing in the stock market, knowing the any kind of news coming in for a particular stock or the market can heavily impact the stock price as well as the market, right? So definitely check out this news and update section over here. Coming on to the results subheading, you can see, as you can see, the right now the quarter 2 results are coming in for the stocks. So you can see the upcoming results. So today it has already released the results of IRFC. Just I have given in the news section. So both subheading, the upcoming results for the stock and which are the stock which has already released its quarterly results you can coming in, and all three major figures you will get it, right? The sales, EBITDA, and net profit, both YOY and QOQ. So basically, all these essential figures of our results, you can get it in a one glance, right? So both upcoming as well as the released, you can get it. So that's some of the news and update section of the StockEdge app here. Now, how you can track the smart money? So smart monies are basically the FIIs and the DIS. Who are FII, DII? FIIs are foreign institutional investors and DII are domestic institutional investors. So FIR are foreign people who are investing in the Indian stock market, right? So, and we generally think that if foreign money is coming into the Indian stock market, is very good, and overall the market sentiment is going to be in the higher side, better side, I would say. So if I just click on FID activity, you can see day wise activity coming in, right? So this is for Friday, so today's data is not yet released, I guess. So overall, once it will be updated on the end of the day basis, so by 7 or 8 it will get updated by today's date, which is 4th of November, right? As per the cash market data is also given, as well as the index and futures options data is also given in, right? So FII in the on Friday, the cash market, FI has sold nearly 211 crores, and DIA has also has sold around 377 crores. So if you can see, there are two other tabs over here, CM provisional and CM SEBI. So these are basically the same data, but provisional means these data is coming from the exchange itself, so it is updated at the end of the day. But for CM SEBI, means CM means cash market, it is directly coming from SEBI itself, so it takes a 1 day delayed data. So other than that, both data are more or less remains the same. So after verification of the SEBI, it releases the data, but a day later. So you can easily check the cash market provisional data. So right now I am on the FII tab and see how the FIIs have been selling continuously in the stock market, and we have been selling. We have been seeing very bearish or selling pressure in the overall market, right? So that's the only reason, because FII has been heavily selling in the market right now, whereas DII is somehow trying to covering it up, right? Trying to hold the market. So that's why we have been seeing very bearish sentiment in the market right now. You can also check the daily, monthly, and yearly. So here is the tab itself. So right now, by default, it will see the daily column over here. But if I click on monthly as well, you can see the monthly data of FII and DII as well, right? So as you can see in October, FIIs have sold a lot in the Indian stock market, right? As you can see the figures here itself, a lot it has sold. Compared to DII, they have only put in this much amount of money, trying to hold the overall market as of right now. Okay. Coming to the index futures as well. So if you click on the plus sign over here, you can see how the FIIs have creating their position in the future indices like the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty, Fin Nifty, as well as mid cap and Nifty Next as well. So this gives you an overall data of the major indices, how they're playing in the futures and options market. Right. So I will suggest basically try to see the futures itself, because if they are going long, net long in the Nifty future, that means definitely a good sign. On the other hand, if there is net shortage, like the Bank Nifty seems very much weaker, is definitely a red flag or a bearish sign for the index as well. Coming to the FPI sectoral activity, this is a data released every fortnight, like every 15 days it gets updated, and you can see how the FPIs are basically foreign portfolio investors who are putting money in the stock market, and which sectors they are putting in, you can check using this FPI sectoral activity. So right now, as you can see, chemical sector has seen a very good inflow as of today, as of fortnight data. Last data which has been updated on 15/10. So right now it will be updated very soon. The new data will be coming in very soon. This is the net buying and selling position. So overall, they have net bought in the chemical sector. But if someone asks which stocks they are buying in, that data is not available. Only the sector names you can see, and later you can check which are the stocks in the chemical sector and definitely find a good one. Okay, so this goes for the FPI sectoral activity, right? So derivatives, as I've already explained, the index options and futures, as of now it is in all. So you can select the particular index and check the FII net buy or selling position in that particular index. Okay. So this goes for the FIIDI activity. Coming to the IPO section. So in the IPO section, you can see the current ongoing IPO. The upcoming IPO is coming, like Swiggy IPO is coming in very soon, starting from 6th of November. The offer price band is also given, the issue size, everything is you will given in the upcoming IPO. So once the Swiggy IPO starts, so it will come in the ongoing section, right? So if you just click over here, you can see the red herring prospectus, the overall details of the IPO. So total a minimum of 38 shares you can apply at a price bands of 390. Okay, so the promoter details, who are the facilitator for the IPO, and every detail is giving in. More details you can find from the red herring prospectus here. Okay, another thing about the IPO, you will get also IPO note, so which shows whether you should invest or subscribe to the IPO or not. Uh, so that's for the IPO section. And coming to the recently listed IPO also, like Afcon's infrastructure has recently get listed. So you can see the change over issue price, the change over the listed price, everything is given here. IPO note I was talking about. So right now, IPO note is not yet available for Swiggy. So I think it will be released very soon. So just wait for this and you will get this IPO note section in this here. Okay, and you can easily, it's a PDF document, and you can easily check whether you should subscribe for the IPO or not. So as of now, the IPO note is basically a research report for the IPO, and it will be released very soon for Swiggy itself. Okay. So this goes for the top three features as of today. So there are a few questions I want to take. Someone is asking, Pritam Das, sir, I'm holding Sipla Bharti Airtel, those stocks good to average at current level. Sir, this is not the right session. You can ask these questions. Basically, I'm explaining the stockage features over here. So no stock query, please. That's what I can suggest. So somebody has also asked some basic question, what is dividend and everything. So I would suggest, like, if you are a Stockage social member or a Stockage member as well, just log into social and you can ask your basic queries in Learn to Invest or Learn to Trade clubs. We have separate clubs these days. So you can put your query over there. Not getting any latest data of FI. Sir, Himanshu Das, it will be updated by the end of the day. By 7 or 8, today's data will get updated. Okay. Um, please repeat regarding the results. So and results, you will get it on the news and markets, news and updates, and you'll see this results. So right now the upcoming results which are going to release today, as well as the already released results, you can get two list. Okay. And moreover, you can see the after the result has been released for the quarter, you will see the sales, EBITDA, and net profit. So these are very important figures to track. So how the company is performing over sales, is there any YOY growth or quarter over quarter growth or not? Definitely, you can check out from this section of StockEdge. Okay, sir. Salim is asking, sir, please FII and DIT in more detail. Can we see FII data more detail? Majority of asking about more detail. So more detail, I want to say is, that FII is there in net buying position or net selling position. That's the main thing. And overall, how the FII activity is going on. So as of now, I was just showing for the CM provisional data. See, FII has been heavily selling in the market, right? since October itself. So September 30, it has been continuously selling in the market, and that's how you are reflecting in the current market sentiment, right? So when FIIs are heavily selling, markets are declining at a very high rate. So that's the thing. So when FIIs are again become positive, so if they started net buying their position in the cash market, we can see the markets to get on the reversal mode. So that's how you can check the overall sentiment of the market using the FII and DII data. So majorly we see the FII data. So DII, even though try to hold these levels by putting in more money, but majorly FIIs who are the people who basically run the market, right? So if they are buying, if they started to buying in the market, we'll definitely see a bounce back from current levels. Ravi Kant is asking where I found combo scans. So this is not the right feature for today, sir. So combo scans will be explaining in some other day. So we have a schedule for every session. So you can ask Sunita Di for the session each day. What are the topics we are going to cover in the smart session? How to link the Kite app with StockEdge? I think you're talking about the portfolio feature, sir. I'll be explaining in a minute. Um, uh, is volume is seen in result data? No, sir. Result is basically the quarterly result, sales, EBITDA, and profitability you can see for the company. Um, uh, Again, Sanjay Kumar is asking for sector rotation. So sector rotation feature will be explained on Thursday, I think. Again, we have a separate schedule for each features for the day. So today we are not explaining the sector rotation. Okay. Okay, so majorly are asking how to link your broking account to StockEdge in your portfolio. So I'm just going to there. So for portfolios, you need to go to My StockEdge over here. You can see this tab over here, My StockEdge. And here you can see my portfolio section. Okay, just click on it. So right now it will give you a overall glance of the portfolio, the summary of the portfolio. What is your current value, how much you have invested, what is the 1 day return or the overall return. You can see I've clicked on overall. So overall, what is my return for my portfolio, what are the top gainers today in my portfolio, and the top losers. Everything you will get it in a glance. Next, if you just click on the portfolio, you will show the number of portfolios I'm having. Right, I have segregated as short-term trading portfolio, investing portfolio, as well as a separate portfolio for mutual funds as well. Okay, so how you can add or link your any kind of broking account to it. So let me add one portfolio. So let's give it a name, trading portfolio. Okay, so I've added this, and now you will see these three options. So this is already in beta version, so I'm not explaining this right now. Broker Connect is your, I think, CSV upload and manual entry. So click on Broker Connect. So as of now, we support Zerodha, Angel One, and Upstocks. So if anyone has any account with Zerodha, Angel One, or Upstocks, they can directly link their broking account portfolio to StockEdge, and StockEdge will automatically fetch your list of stocks in your portfolio that are in your broking account. Someone will ask about how to link Dhan. So as of now, Dhan app is uh, not our select broker, but as of now, if anyone has Zerodha, Angel One, or Upstock, they can directly connect their portfolio, broking portfolio to StockEdge. Okay. Karan Singh is asking what are the benefits of adding the account here. So I'll be explaining that, sir. So if you just click on portfolio, so right now I'm going to see there's a CSV upload file as well. So it's a Excel file. So the format is like this. If you click here, the format will be downloaded. Okay. So once I have downloaded the format, open it. So these are the instruments. You need to put the stock NSE symbol, like the Federal Bank NSE symbol is given, for example, the quantity you have bought in, and what is the average price. So once you put in all these data in this particular format, and upload this in your portfolio, it will fetch all the stocks list in your portfolio, right? This is the way how you can add your CSV file upload. Lastly, just the simple basic manual entry, what you can do, click on it, manual entry. You need to search for these stocks. Suppose I have invested in SBI, so State Bank of India. I've added, suppose 50 quantity of stocks I have added at this current rate of 829.85. I want to add another stock, click on save. So as you can see, one stock has been added. Next, I have added, suppose HDFC Life. So HDFC Life Insurance Company, I've added, suppose 20 shares of it. Then again, click on save. So see, two stocks has been added. So this is how you can add stocks to your portfolio. Now, if you click on the portfolio, which I've just created, click on it. You will get the same portfolio glance over here, the current value of investment, what is your 1 day and overall return, the top gainers and the top losers as well. Other than that, it will show the list of all the stocks, the 50 shares I have added at this quantity, invested this amount, the 1 month change, the LTP value, and everything you will get it over here, 1 day as well as the overall change. So as of now, we have added this portfolio just now, so we may now see the overall change over here. Other than that, we have Edge Insights. So Edge Insights is basically any kind of news or updates based on technical parameters, fundamental parameters coming in. It will show you in the Edge Insights. So if I just right now in this stocks, we don't have any kind of insights. So if I just click on short term, one of my trading portfolio and click on Edge Insights. So as you can see, these are technical parameters where increasing RS is given for Rico Auto Industries. So any kind of technical, fundamental or news, it will show you under the Edge Insights. So your portfolio of stocks, if there are any kind of news updates on technical or fundamental data, it will show you in the Edge Insights. Other than that, you can see sector allocation. So I have added 4 stocks in my portfolio over here. So what are my sector allocations? So IT, I have put in for 52% of my portfolio. Non-ferrous metal is around 28%. Automobile and ancillary is around 18%. So overall, your portfolio diversification, you can easily check from the sector allocation, right? Coming to market allocation is the same thing. So are you invested in small cap heavily, mid cap or large cap? So as you can see, my short-term trading portfolio is mostly in mid cap and small cap, right? Delivery data. So other this consolidated holding is basically if you are having any mutual fund holding, so it will show you the overlap over here. So if I have any mutual fund who has invested in KPIT Technologies or Rico Auto, it will show you in this section what is the percentage of it. Other than that, the delivery, so your list of portfolio stocks, how are the delivery coming in, the 5 days average as well as the today's data, it will show you. Any technical levels or indicators for the portfolio stock, you can check from here. Any chart pattern formed in your stock or not in recent time, that will also coming in this section, right? Other than that, anything for stockage like the scans, any scans for your coming in technical fundamental scan, it will show you. Edge reports are basically any kind of investment data or a research report on a particular list of stocks which you have in your portfolio. It will coming in this section. News is basically the same as news and updates, announcement, corporate action. I've already shown this in the news and update features. So this goes for the overall portfolio stocks. Other than that, how you can add or delete it. So delete symbol is already there. So if you want to delete any particular list of stock, you can easily delete it. Again, if you want to edit anything, suppose I want to edit. So existing as Sonata software at 25, I want to say less 5 quantity. So 5 quantity, I'll be selling it at the CMP 1989 and save. So it's get automatic updated. So right now, as you can see, I was having 25 shares. Now I'm having 20 shares of Sonata software, right? So again, to add shares, so suppose KPIT Technologies, I have 30 shares. I want to add again 30 shares at current market price. Click on add the quantity. I want to add 30. Add this price. What will be my value? This will be my value, and save. So earlier, as you can see, 30 shares is there. Now I've added again 30. So as you can see, 60 shares of KPIT Technologies are having at an average price of 1257. Right. So this is how you can add quantity or less quantity in your trading portfolio. Right. So this goes for the portfolio. Coming on to my watch list. So my watch list is basically where you can add a list of bunch of stocks for your tracking. But even you may ask, like, any platform give you these features, right? To adding a stock in your portfolio, like watch list, creating a watch list. What's different in StockEdge? So let me show you what's different in StockEdge. So I'm creating a watch list now. Let's give it a name, stocks to watch. Okay. Alright. Now, here you have only one option to add one by one. So SBI, I'm adding. Click on start and it will be added. Larsen and Toubro, L&T I've added. HDFC Life I've added. Okay. So these three stocks I've added to my watch list. Uh, Here you will not get the market cap allocation as well as the sector allocation. Other than that, whatever features I've shown you in my portfolio, it will give you the same thing: gainers, loser, deliveries, technical data, all remaining the same. Edge insights as well. One good feature here is that once I've added these stocks in my watch list, it will show you since then how the stock has performed. So as of now, I have added these stocks today. But earlier, if you see my radar stocks, right? So since the day I've added these long back and how they have been performing. So once the objective of creating a watch list is basically to track the stocks, whether they are performing good or not, and then taking a position, right? So here it will show you that since the day you have added stocks to your portfolio, or sorry, watch list, how they have been performing. If they have been performing good, you can definitely take an entry to the stocks, right? So this is basically the USP of adding or creating a watch list in StockEdge. It will show you since the day you have added the stocks, how they have been performing, right? So this goes for the overall all the features of StockEdge that I have explained. So I'll be taking a few questions now. Someone else, can I get the recording of this? Yes, sir. Prabhat Singh, you will get the recording tomorrow morning itself. The customer delight team will share the recording video, okay, on the StockEdge social. Salim, I'm getting error for Sing portfolio. Sir, which broker are you applying for, Zerodha or Angel One? That will be, we can help you better. Uh, Maximum number of stocks can be added to watch list. I'm not sure about the definite number, but I've added more than 10, 12 stocks in the watch list and it is working fine. But the maximum limit, I'm not aware of it. Market breadth, so that's a different feature, sir, of StockEdge, which I think in Thursday, one of my colleague will be explaining that. Salime is asking what the club membership. So Sunita Di will be explaining what is StockEdge Club and StockEdge social platform. So just wait for it. Uh, yes, portfolio will be automatically updated if you sync with your broker's account. So it fetch the data from your broker's account and it get updated there. Okay, so if you're having Zerodha or Angel One, just connect with our Delight team. So I think there is maybe some issue with your account and they can help you out. Okay, so any other questions related to what I've explained today? So Swatidi can move to explaining the StockEdge social. Where we can see the recording, please show. Sunita Di, are you available? Are you there?
Yes,
Hello.
Suham, I am here.
Okay, so someone is asking where they can see the recording of these sessions. So majorly have asking this question. So you can start explaining StockEdge social, I guess. I have
All right, I'll do that. There are a few questions I think you have missed out, और ये हो सकता है कि उन्होंने मुझे ही directly भेजा है. There's a question here. How to de-link broker account?
D-Link broker account, I think right now I have not added any kind of broker account here. So
Mm-hmm.
there will be option to delete the portfolio. So once you delete the portfolio, it will be de-linked. So
Okay.
I'm just showing you once again. So let's go to my portfolio. So these are already created portfolio, right? So you need to click on manage over here and there's a delete button over here. So once you have fetched the data from your broker account, just delete it. So right now I've added this trading portfolio. I've deleted it. Click on OK. So by that way, your broking account will be de-linked. So and it will not show this portfolio. I hope that's answered the questions.
Yes, yes. And yes, I can see there are majorly questions related
On
to
to Stockage Club, I guess.
the social and how to see the recording.
Okay.
There is one question I think you have missed it. 6:30 पे उन्होंने पूछा था. Can you please explain me how to create my portfolio? So if you can just repeat this once, then I'll take over.
How to? I've just now shown it, Sundari, they explain everything. The entire thing is a lot bigger. Just now I've created the trading portfolio.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
All right, okay, then I'll take over from here. Thank you, Soham, for being here for the first 30 minutes and explaining the users on the basic featuring of Stockage.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining me here, and I'll be taking a leave now. Bye.
So as I could see in the chat section that there are questions related to the sessions, कुछ जो session related भी नहीं है for today's session. So I understand that you must be attending the session for the first time. So let me share my screen first, then I'll continue. So can I get a quick confirmation about my audio and the screen which you can see currently? Is it perfect or you need me to be a little more louder? Okay, yes, yes. So I would also like to take a quick poll here to understand how many of you are here who are attending the session for the first time today. So just first time and you have attended the session today only and you have recently taken the subscription. All right, I am first time. Okay, right. First time today. Yes, I could guess with the questions which we were receiving in the chat. All right. So to be much more specific here, कि जो sessions होते हैं, they are repetitive. Like आज जो Monday को हो रहा है, the same thing will be in the next will be done next Monday as well. So where can you find कि जो sessions हो रहे हैं, what can you expect from that session? I will explain Stockage Club, sir. Definitely, I'll do that. But prior to that, let me just take up the questions which are there, which I have been repeatedly been asked here. So to understand exactly कि जो sessions हो रहे हैं हमारे, the sessions which we are conducting here, what is the schedule? So that is something which you need to be aware about, so that आपको एक week attend करने के बाद you have better clarity कि which day what will be done. So to see that, what you need to do is go to the Stockage वेबसाइट स्टॉकेज वेबसाइट पे आप जाओ यहाँ पे स्क्रॉल डाउनवर्ड्स and you will find an option of stockage live session. So as you can see, Monday is the session on track money and understand markets with stockage. So this is the basic one that Soham has done today. Tomorrow we will be learning on mutual funds and investment related topics like investment ideas, investor portfolio and everything. Wednesday को होगा related to scans, combination scans का भी कुछ questions था in the chat I could see. So Wednesday को it will be on scans. Thursday will be covering select stock using sector rotation वाला session जो होगा that will be on Thursday. Friday we'll have a post market and Saturday would be the chart pattern thing. The chart pattern is a part of Stockage Pro subscription. उसमें whatever the chart patterns are, how you can use them will be covered on Saturday. So kindly keep this in mind कि Monday को क्या होना है, Tuesday को क्या होना है, and attending these sessions using the same link once a ओनली वंस, मतलब 6 दिन तक, 7 दिन तक, अगर आप 6 दिन तक अगर आप अटेंड करो तो यू विल गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि स्टॉकेज यूज कैसे करने हैं. Okay. So I hope this is clear कि what to expect on each day of the smart sessions which we are doing from Monday to Saturday. Okay. Now coming to the social platform which I'll be discussing here now. Kindly give me a minute. Yes, so Mr. Soham was on this page. वो यहाँ पे आपको समझा रहे थे related to indices, market and market home. He was explaining to you from directly from this web app. Like Stockage can be used on the phone as well as on the web, on the desktop, and the URL for the desktop is web.stockage.com. So if you would like to go to the Stockage social platform directly from the web app, you can simply click on this square dot here, एंड यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन मिलेगा स्टॉकेज सोशल. सो इफ यू क्लिक ऑन स्टॉकेज सोशल इट विल टेक यू टू द स्टॉकेज सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म. एंड इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल यूजिंग योर फोन देन द बेस्ट वुड बी you'll have to download a separate application called Stockage Social where you'll get the same access as you can see on the web app of social. So this is how the platform looks like. So currently we have a number of clubs which you can see on the left hand sides. Being a club member, if you are a club member, all the clubs will be accessible to you, which means you will be able to post into them, you will be able to join them and see the uh, see the post made in each of the clubs here. But there is a restriction to the accessibility for anybody who has taken premium or pro. So अगर आपके पास premium या pro subscription है तो जो आपको access मिलेगा that will be limited only to 3 clubs, that is learn to trade, learn to invest and peer discussion. So these three will be open to you only if you have the premium or pro subscription, but if being a club member rest of the clubs will be also accessible to you. Now let me explain the 3 ones which are only accessible, which are accessible to premium or pro member only. Okay, so जैसे learn to trade is a club wherein you where you can ask any concept based question. अगर आपको कुछ ट्रेडिंग रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट समझना है, सो इफ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू दी वीडियोज ऑफ विवेक सर जिसमें उन्होंने लर्न टू ट्रेड एक सीरीज है उनकी, इफ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू दो सेशंस एंड उससे रिलेटेड भी अगर आपका कुछ क्वेश्चन, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट सीरीज लर्न टू ट्रेड, यू कैन कम हियर एंड पोस्ट योर क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, एंड सिमिलरली गोज फॉर दी Learn to Invest. So Learn to Invest is also a series of Vivek sir, wherein he is giving you basic understanding of investment. उसमें investment में जो terms use होते हैं, any term, any concept clarity if you need with respect to trading can be put in the trading club, learn to trade club, and learn to invest is for any of your concept clarity based on fundamentals of any stock. ठीक है, अगर आपको कोई स्टॉक का फंडामेंटल समझना है या कोई टर्म है जो यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू वुड लाइक एन एक्सपर्ट टू गेट अ रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम, दिस वुड बी द आइडियल क्लब वेयर यू कैन पोस्ट. पोस्टिंग अ क्वेश्चन इन लर्न टू ट्रेड कैन बी एनीथिंग. यहाँ पे आपको एक प्रोसेस दिया हुआ है, लाइक देयर इज अ स्पेसिफाइड फॉर्मेट, बट फॉर learn to trade and learn to invest we do not suggest, we do not insist rather कि आप वहां पे जाके एक स्पेसिफाइड फॉर्मेट में पोस्ट करो. सिंस यू आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन, अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो इट कैन बी इन एनी क्वेश्चन आपका एक सिंपल 2 लाइन का क्वेश्चन हो सकता है एंड यू कैन पोस्ट इट. बट व्हाट यू कैन सी currently on the screen is if you are making a post and you would like to tag somebody specific, yet you need to tag some specific stock या फिर sector या industry, you'll have to use the specified format. To tag people, we use @sign. Say for example, I would like to tag Vivek sir for any questions. You need to type first right? So if I click on @, I can see the name of the everybody who is there available on the platform of StockEdge Social. ठीक है, तो these are the one I have been frequently tagging. तो यहाँ पे मेरे ऊपर में सारे नाम आ रहे हैं. So to tag a person, @ is used. For tagging any industry, stock or sector, you need to use $. ठीक है। अगर थोड़ी क्लैरिटी आपको ट्रेडिंग सेक्टर के बारे में लेनी है, शिप बिल्डिंग सेक्टर का ट्रेडिंग रिलेटेड आइडिया लेना है, आपको कुछ स्पेसिफिक टर्म रिलेटेड आइडिया लेना है, देन यू कैन यूज द डॉलर साइन फॉर सेक्टर, स्टॉक एंड इंडस्ट्री। ठीक है, there should be no space after you use the dollar sign or at the rate sign. Then you can type your stock name, say for example HDFC. Okay, so I'll get all the options available with respect to HDFC, and you can put it and post your question here, and it will be replied by the analyst of StockEdge. Any query posted in Learn to Trade and Learn to Invest will be replied by StockEdge analyst. Coming to the third club, which is the peer discussion. Peer discussion is just like any other, is just like any discussion platform जिसमें any member, be it any member, StockEdge के member हो, क्लब के हो, प्रीमियम के हो, प्रो के हो, they are simply discussing among themselves. वो अपनी आइडिया शेयर कर रहे हैं. प्लीज मार्क माई वर्ड्स हियर कि यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं, जो डिस्कशन जो हो रही है, दैट इज नॉट बाय समबडी हु इज अ एनालिस्ट, सर्टिफाइड एनालिस्ट और सेबी रजिस्टर्ड एनालिस्ट. सो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर कि यहाँ पे जो भी डिस्कशन हो रही है, जस्ट काइंड ऑफ अ कैजुअल डिस्कशन, देयर इज नो ऑथेंटिसिटी हियर. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि यहाँ से आप कोई ट्रेड आइडियाज पिकअप ना करो. राइट, फॉर ट्रेड आइडियाज और इन्वेस्टिंग आइडियाज वी हैव द अदर क्लब्स which are only accessible to club members. ठीक है, so I hope I am clear about कि जो club members नहीं हैं, the premium and pro people, they will be able to access these three, wherein you can get your concept clarified and you can post your views with respect to the market, stock or anything. Right, so these are open clubs where you can gain knowledge as well, discuss your strategies if you use any, just for sharing it with other people who are available on the StockEdge platform. Okay, now let me see the chat first. There are two questions here. डेफिनेटली सर, विवेक सर, जो भी वेबिनार्स होते हैं इनकी सारी रिकॉर्डिंग्स अवेलेबल है. Recording related, you need to go to the StockEdge platform, sorry, YouTube channel of StockEdge, stockedge.com पे, YouTube पे जाइए, सर्च फॉर StockEdge, एंड वहां पे आपको StockEdge स्मार्ट सेशन की एक प्लेलिस्ट मिलेगी. ऑल द पास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग्स आर अपलोडेड देयर. टुडेज रिकॉर्डिंग विल आल्सो बी देयर अवेलेबल बाय टुमारो मॉर्निंग 11 AM तक. वहां पे आपको रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगी. And Somen Singh sir, how to know in which stock FII invest regularly? So stock wise FII की data is currently not available. You can see the overall only, कि क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट हुई है या क्या एग्जिट हुआ है FII का, सेलिंग हुआ है या बाइंग हुआ है. It is not stock specific as of now. We will take this as a feedback and send it to the data team for any future analysis. So Vivek sir, I have answered your question कि आपको recording कहाँ पे मिलेगी. You need to go to the YouTube channel of StockEdge. I'll show that as well once I complete the social platform, how to use it. Now coming to the other clubs, which is Stock Ideas. So as the name suggests, Stock Ideas is a club wherein you will be getting trading ideas and investing ideas. By whom? It will be given by green tick experts or blue tick experts. So on StockEdge Social, you will find people, though they have ticks beside, right beside their name. So let me show you where you will find it. Under Discover, if we go, right. So you can see here StockEdge Analyst, or StockEdge analyst is somebody who has a blue tick right beside their name. Okay, which means they are directly associated with StockEdge and they are research analyst qualified. So they are genuine people who have taken the examination of SEBI, and they are solving all your doubts on the social platform. So these are authentic research reports or authentic responses which you get if you are getting a response from somebody who has a blue tick right beside their name. Coming to the next one, that is market experts. So these people are not directly associated with StockEdge. They have been onboarded to StockEdge to give their calls and recommendation on investment and trading as well. So in the stock ideas section, you will be getting investing and trading ideas by green tick expert and by at times by blue tick experts as well. Okay, so as we can see in the investing ideas, it will be for long term. Mr. Anik Mitra has posted some of his research here. The con call summary which was there, he has posted detail about it. Okay. And somebody from the stockage team, Miss Lavang Sharma, she has also posted about stocks to watch for investment with detailed reports here. As you can see, this is a closed club. Closed club means you cannot post a question here. Since trading ideas and investing ideas are being given here, you are not allowed to make a new post here. But if you have any question with respect to the post given, the recommendation given by the green tick expert, you can simply put into the comment section here. इन्होंने जो यहाँ पे पोस्ट किया है इसके रिलेटेड अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन हो, you can put it in the comment section and the concerned person will definitely reply. Similarly goes for the trading ideas. यहाँ पे जो trading ideas होंगे that will be given by green tick expert. As you can see, Mr. Thobiti Brahmachari, he has given his call summary report. So this is also one of the things which you can, which will help you in deciding whom to follow, whose trade you should take, whom should you follow, and उनकी past records क्या रहे हैं. So you can see their past records also on Stockist Social. If you're obviously you're a new member and you would like to see पहले, you would like to verify कि उन्होंने जो past records थे उनके, उन्होंने जो past recommendations दी थी, how did they perform. So what you can do, you can check into the search tab, come to the search tab. यहाँ पे specifically you can type the name of say for Ankit Jaiswal. He's a green tick expert. Do an advanced search by clicking on add to search and call summary. Right? So this is some, and again click on add to search. You'll have to do an advanced search by mentioning the name of the analyst, the expert or the analyst, and hash and call summary. You need to choose both and then click on search. तो मिस्टर अंकित जायसवाल ने जितने भी कॉल्स दिए हैं टिल डेट, you will be able to see all of them. It is posted on every 15th and on every 30th or 31st. That is the end of the month. As you can see, Mr. Ankit Jaiswal hasn't posted it yet for the month of October. It is available till mid of October. For the entire month of September, उन्होंने जो calls and recommendations दी थी, how did they perform? You can definitely check that as well. So this is the process by which you can simply understand कि आपको किसको follow करना है, किसका recommendations are giving you better profits and जिसका ज्यादा यहाँ पे कॉल्स एंड रिकमेंडेशंस दिया जा रहा है, हाउ आर दे परफॉर्मिंग. सो दिस इज बाय विच यू कैन डिसाइड बाय योरसेल्फ कि आपको किसको फॉलो करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग. Now, as I was saying, trading ideas in this platform, you will be able to see a post made by the green tick experts. So they are giving you here, green tick experts अपने यहाँ पे call summary दे रहे हैं. Since it was the end of the month and now there is only one person today जिन्होंने एक update दिया है, since market is not currently performing that well, so there are no calls given much today comparatively to other days. However, we do see कि Orchid Research, that is a green tick expert, उन्होंने एक call दिया है with definite key levels. ठीक है, लार्सन टूब्रो के बारे में दिया है, फ्यूचर इट्स एन फ्यूचर एन ऑप्शन का कॉल है ये. Sell below this and stop loss is this, target is this, time frame is 2 days. So this is how you get a recommendation on these trading ideas. You will get all the major key levels mentioned. And obviously our green ticket experts are coming here and giving you the breadth of the market कि कैसा चल रहा है अभी market, अभी आपको क्या करना चाहिए, you should be cautious or you should be selling or you should be buying. That knowledge is also shared by the blue tick and green tick experts. So that's what I want to tell you here is कि only the verified information will be given by green tick and blue tick experts. Anybody apart from that, if they are giving any if they are sharing anything, that is not entirely authentic. So make sure that you follow the ones who have a blue tick and a green tick just beside their name. So these are closed club. If you have any questions with respect to the trading calls given in the trading ideas or investing ideas, you can simply put it in the chat box. आप यहाँ पे chat में question कर सकते हो उनको. Again, let me see. There are 27 questions. Oh my God. Just give me a minute. I posted some of the query. I'm not finding my message. Even the query is not replied. I need to check that, sir, कि आपने कहाँ पे post की थी query, because it has to be in the specific section. You'll have to make sure कि अगर आप query कहीं पे post कर रहे हो, it should not be on your home page. It has to be in the relevant club. I'll cover these clubs now after taking up the questions, because I could see there are 27 messages here. SEBI registered person will provide only investment ideas, or any person, please clear. SEBI registered person will be providing you investment and trading ideas. Trading as well. It will be by the SEBI registered person only. Right? So blue tick or green tick expert जो है हमारे, they are either SEBI registered or research analyst qualified. As I said, both of them will be authentic. Their information will be genuine here. Can you explain once about StockEdge Social? There, sir, I'm explaining StockEdge Social only. It's just the difference is that I'm not doing it on the application. I'm doing it on the website, where StockEdge Social की website पे समझा रही हूँ मैं. So StockEdge Social कैसे open करना है? StockEdge Social कैसे open करना है? अहमद रजा सर ने ही almost 15 times I think question सेम ही क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया कि StockEdge Social कैसे ओपन करना है. तो सर इफ यू आर, अगर आप फोन से कर रहे हैं, यू विल हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आपके फोन में या तो ऐप स्टोर से या गूगल प्ले स्टोर से आप वो एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर लो, और अपने ईमेल आईडी जिससे आपने स्टॉकेज का प्लान लिया है आप उससे लॉग इन करो. यू विल बी एबल टू ओपन इट. बट अगर आप लैपटॉप से या डेस्कटॉप से कर रहे हो, यू विल हैव टू टाइप इन द URL हियर, एज यू कैन सी, social.stockage.com, और लॉग इन करना होगा सेम ईमेल आईडी से फ्रॉम विच यू हैव टेकन द प्लान. आप ओपन कर पाओगे. So this same question is repetitive again. स्टॉकेज सोशल कैसे ओपन करना है. आई होप सर मैंने ये क्वेरी रिजॉल्व कर दी है आपकी. और लेट मी नो वंस ऑल्सो अगेन, इंस्टेड ऑफ पोस्टिंग इट अ मल्टीपल नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इन द चैट बॉक्स. So difference between green tick and blue tick. So green tick is somebody who is not directly associated with StockEdge, right? So I am an employee at StockEdge. So I am Sunita Harsh and I am from the customer delight team. तो अगर आप customer delight handle को search को यहाँ पे StockEdge customer delight, if you search, right? So customer delight के नाम के आगे आपको दिख रहा है blue tick. So I am from the StockEdge team directly associated with StockEdge, and I have a blue tick right beside my name as a team, StockEdge customer delight team. But अगर आप जो क्लब एंड जो recommendations trading ideas दे रहे हैं, they are blue tick experts. They are not blue tick experts. They are green tick experts, which means they are not directly associated with StockEdge. So anybody who has a blue tick, they are obviously रिसर्च एनालिस्ट क्वालिफाइड. उन्होंने एक NISM का एग्जामिनेशन दिया है जो सेबी कंडक्ट करती है, एंड दे हैव क्लियर दैट एग्जामिनेशन, एंड दैट ओनली आफ्टर दैट दे हैव गॉट द ब्लू टिक. Green tick expert is somebody who might be a research analyst qualified or can be a directly SEBI registered analyst, right? So this is the only difference between green tick and blue tick. Ma'am, investing, trading, and fundamental or tech are available for premium. Am I right? No, sir. Investing, trading, fundamental जो clubs दिख रहे हैं आपको, these are available for club members only. If you are a premium या फिर pro subscription आपने ले रखी है, you will only have access to learn to trade, learn to invest, and peer discussion, which you see on the left hand side. Let me show you this one. Learn to trade, learn to invest, and peer discussion for your knowledge enhancement. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियरिंग, उसके लिए आपको एक्सेस रहेगा. सर हिंदी में आपको इस अलग से क्या समझाना है? लेट मी नो, आई रिपीट दैट अगेन इन हिंदी, क्योंकि मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं जो भी बता रही हूँ हिंदी में भी बोलूँ एंड इंग्लिश में भी. सो एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक अगर आपका कुछ है तो लेट मी नो, चैट में बता दो. आई विल टेक द, मैं उसे हिंदी में समझा दूंगी. स्विंग ट्रेडिंग स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशन, हिमांशु सर ने पूछा है. स्विंग स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशन वेयर विल प्रोवाइड? ऑब्वियसली सर इन द टेक्निकल क्लब, सॉरी ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज क्लब. इन द ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज क्लब यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो, यू विल बी एबल टू सी ऑल द ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज फॉर स्विंग ओनली. मेजरली यहाँ पे स्विंग ही रहता है. वी डोंट गिव इंटरडे कॉल्स, स्विंग एंड पोजिशनल ट्रेड्स कॉल्स ही रहते हैं यहाँ पे. आई होप हिमांशु सर आपको समझ आया हो। यो आई आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन कि आपको स्विंग ट्रेडिंग कॉल्स कहाँ पे मिलेंगे। एंड जो हमारे स्टॉकेज में दी एप्लीकेशन ऑल्सो हैज अ स्विंग ट्रेडिंग का रिलेटेड फीचर ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज में, सो दैट यू कैन अटेंड द वेडनेसडे का सेशन। मिस्टर यश विल बी टेकिंग इट एंड कि ही विल एक्सप्लेन यू कि स्ट्रैटेजीज वाला सेक्शन से भी हाउ कैन यू पिक अप स्टॉक्स बाय योरसेल्फ बाय डूइंग फर्दर रिसर्च, एंड उसमें आप कैसे ट्रेड ले सकते हो। सो एज आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग ऑल्सो कि आपको अगर स्टॉकेज एप्लीकेशन समझनी है एंड सोशल का बेस्ट यूज लेना है, आई जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप वन वीक एंटायर वन वीक आप अटेंड करो ये सेशन, स्टॉकेज का स्मार्ट सेशंस जो होते हैं। यू विल हैव वेरी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ स्टॉकेज एप्लीकेशन एंड सोशल को ऑब्वियसली इट्स टुडे। ठीक है, अगेन अगेन आई एम गेटिंग अ क्वेश्चन हियर, व्हाट इज ब्लू टिक एंड ग्रीन टिक? सो सेम क्वेश्चन अगेन। ब्लू टिक इज somebody who is directly associated with stockage। ब्लू टिक वो लोग हैं जो स्टॉकेज से डायरेक्टली एसोसिएटेड है, उन्होंने रिसर्च एनालिस्ट का एक एग्जामिनेशन दिया है जो सेबी कंडक्ट करती है, एंड दे आर हियर टू क्लियर योर डाउट्स। आपका डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए दे आर हियर। ग्रीन टिक एक्सपर्ट्स जो है वो हमारे डायरेक्टली एसोसिएटेड नहीं है स्टॉकेज से, दे आर नॉट एन एम्प्लॉय एट स्टॉकेज। वो ऑनबोर्ड किए गए हैं स्टॉकेज सोशल में, दे हैव बीन ऑनबोर्डेड टू स्टॉकेज सोशल जस्ट टू गिव देयर ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टिंग आइडियाज। दे आर आइदर सेबी रजिस्टर्ड, उन्होंने सेबी रजिस्ट्रेशन करके कंप्लीट कर रखी है, और दे कैन ऑल्सो बी समबडी हु हैज टेकन द रिसर्च एनालिस्ट एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? So authentic people are the blue and green tick people only. The rest everybody is just like a member on stock is social. ठीक है? is stockage social any web app available? Web app is this only, sir. stockage social की जो आपको stockage social.stockage.com is the web app, and for phone you can download it from the app store or the Google Play Store. Okay, so I'll again go to the next section, that is the doubt clearing section, doubt solving section, which means कि हमारे जो analyst है, the analyst which we have, the blue tick experts will be giving you and will be answering all your questions. We have a segregation here, as you can see: fundamental club, technical club, FNO, currency, commodity, and mutual fund. So these are the 5 segments which we have. So any question if you have with respect to the fundamentals of a stock, you'll have to make sure that you post it in the fundamental club. Technical related stock का कुछ query हो, you can post in the technical club. So as you can see here, Mr. DBN जो है, इन्होंने एक question डाला है 7 minutes ago. Right? He has tagged the stock using $sign. As I was saying, to make the stock, so this will have to make sure that you tag the stock in the correct club and in the correct format. तो आप जो discussion clubs हैं यहाँ पे, doubt solving clubs जो भी हैं यहाँ पे, fundamental, technical, you have the option to start a discussion here. You can post your question अगर fundamental की है, अगर आपको कोई fundamental के बारे में जैसे $sign फर्स्ट डालना है आपको, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट मिस द $sign. देन एनी स्टॉक नेम, राइट? से फॉर एग्जांपल आई वुड लाइक टू नो द फंडामेंटल्स, या कितनी फंडामेंटली स्ट्रांग है दिस स्पेसिफिक कंपनी. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू, type a $sign with no spaces, name the company, and then choose it from the drop down. Okay, so I have done it. $sign, no space, choosing the first few letters of the stock, and then choosing it from the drop down, and then fundamental view please, right? So यहाँ पे जो भी पोस्ट होगा has to be for longer term obviously. Please make sure कि अगर आपको उसको long term invest करना है, then post the fundamental query in this club and post it here. ठीक है? Similarly goes for the टेक्निकल क्लब. टेक्निकल क्वेरी में अगर आपको कुछ स्टॉक के बारे में टेक्निकल जानना है, किसी स्टॉक के बारे में, यू नीड टू सिंपली स्टार्ट अ डिस्कशन, यूज द $sign, नेम द स्टॉक, से जेएम फाइनेंशियल्स. ठीक है, आगे जेएम फाइनेंशियल, आई चूज इट फ्रॉम योर टेक्निकल व्यू प्लीज. ठीक है, दिस कैन बी अ क्वेश्चन एंड यू कैन पोस्ट इट सिंपली. My reason of telling you to make the post in the correct section, correct club, is because since I am from the customer delight team and we get a lot of questions कि मैम मैंने तो question डाल दिया, मेरा reply नहीं आया है अभी तक. The 99% of the time the reason is because they have posted in on the home ऑन द होम सेक्शन। यहाँ पे अगर मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन पोस्ट करूंगी ना, इट विल नॉट अपीयर एनीवेयर अपार्ट फ्रॉम माई होम पेज। सो ना वो कोई क्लब में टैग होगा, ना को आप स्टॉक को ढंग से टैग करोगे, सो जो एनालिस्ट है हमारे, दे विल नॉट बी नोटिफाइड कि आपने कुछ क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया है। ठीक है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर, आई एम रिपीटेडली टेलिंग द सेम थिंग जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम अवेयर कि जनरली क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस होती है इफ यू इनिशियली स्टार्ट यूजिंग द सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म। Okay. So trading fundamental club, technical club, FNO club, format of posting the query is same. The only difference here is the turnaround time. ठीक है, अगर आपको कोई फंडामेंटल स्टॉक के बारे में, फंडामेंटल किसी स्टॉक के बारे में जानना है, इफ यू वांट टू नो द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ एनी स्टॉक, देयर हैज टू बी डन अ थorough research by the research team which we have. So they generally take 48 hours time to reply to per stock. 24 to 48 hours time is the turnaround time which our fundamental team takes to reply to any stock posted in the fundamental club, because उन्हें थोड़ी रिसर्च ज्यादा करनी होती है. So we suggest and we request everybody who is a club member to post a maximum of 2 queries in the fundamental club and not more than that. ठीक है, क्योंकि टाइम लगता है रिप्लाई देने में. सो पर स्टॉक रिप्लाई टाइम इज 24 to 48 hours. तो अगर आपने 2 स्टॉक डाले हैं दिन के, यू विल गेट द रिप्लाई विद इन अ मैक्सिमम ऑफ 4 days टाइम. Okay, this goes for the fundamental club, but technical club is like technical के बारे में अगर आप technical जानने हैं किसी stock के, so obviously you will need instant reply. So from 9:15 till 3:30 our technical team is active and they reply within a maximum of 3 to 5 minutes time per stock. ठीक है, तो मैं अगर scroll करके देखूं नीचे, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल रविंद्र नायर सर ने 2 घंटे पहले, नॉट 2 घंटे का तो नहीं समझ आएगा आपको दिखाने से, सो लेट्स सी 47 मिनट्स अगो सर ने डाला था. नाउ यू सी दिस पोस्ट इज इनकम्प्लीट, बट द ओनली पॉजिटिव थिंग हियर इज कि उन्होंने क्लब परफेक्ट में डाला है, सो द रिप्लाई हैज बीन डन करेक्टली हियर. ठीक है, सो टाटा स्टील में अमरीश सर ने रिप्लाई किया 33 मिनट्स पहले, तो विद इन 10 मिनट्स टाइम पोस्ट मार्केट आवर्स उन्होंने रिप्लाई दे दिया था उनकी क्वेरी का. बट ओनली अगर उन्होंने क्वेरी डाली होती विद इन फ्रॉम 9:15 to 3:30 के बीच में, तो उनकी रिप्लाई विद इन 3 to 5 मिनट्स मैक्सिमम टाइम में आ जाती रिप्लाई. तो दिस इज द टर्न अराउंड टाइम फॉर टेक्निकल क्लब, दैट इज अ मैक्सिमम ऑफ 5 मिनट्स. ठीक है, और मार्केट जब एक्टिव होता है उस टाइम पे पोस्ट दैट देयर माइट बी लिटिल बिट डिले, बट दैट ऑल्सो नॉट मोर देन हाफ एन आवर. Coming to the FNO club, turnaround time here is 20 minutes, as you can see here. Mutual fund may, since it also takes time to do the entire research, the turnaround time can be again here 24 to 48 hours. Okay, how get specified call summary? Call summary, so you can call summary of any analyst. That's what you meant, sir? How to get specified call summary? Call summary of, I hope you're asking about specified person only, जिन्होंने call summary दी है. I'll show you the process. The process is name of the analyst, say for example Ankit Jaiswal, or I'll take somebody Thobiti Brahmachari. ठीक है, आपको सर्च में जाना है, you need to search his name. Click on add to search. Instead of clicking on his name, click on add to search and then type again call summary. ठीक है, again add to search. So you have done an advanced search of combining Thobiti sir with call summary, and once you click on search, all his call summary will be available to you. Right? So you can decide कि किसको उनके जो कैश एंड एफएनओ कॉल्स थे, हाउ डिड दे परफॉर्म इन दैट स्पेसिफाइड मंथ. देयर इज सम, आई थिंक आई हैव मिस सम क्वेरी जिन्होंने सर ने डाली है. आई ट्राइड. Can anyone elaborate personally? Anyone responsible host or panelist is there? So related to what, I think I missed some of your question. You can let me know in the chat once again. I'll take it up. I think I missed it in the chat since there were multiple chats by some single person, so I might have missed it. Where do I find out posted messages in different group? In some tab available from where we can find out posted message. where do I find out posted messages in different group? मतलब ग्रुप में अगर बाय डिफॉल्ट यू विल बी फॉलोइंग, अगर आप इफ यू आर इनटू टेक्निकल्स, इफ यू ट्रेड इनटू टेक्निकल्स, you have the option of notifying yourself. Like मतलब टेक्निकल क्लब में आप ज्वाइन कर लियो, एंड इफ यू वुड लाइक टू बी नोटिफाइड बाय फॉर सम स्पेसिफिक स्टॉक या सम स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, उन्होंने कुछ पोस्ट डाला है, एंड यू वांट टू गेट अ पॉपअप नोटिफिकेशन, देन यू कैन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, अगर आप कोई स्टॉक से फॉर एग्जांपल आरवीएनएल का अगर है, ठीक है, आई एम फॉलोइंग दिस स्टॉक, आई हैव टिक्ड ऑन नोटिफाई एज वेल, तो इसके बारे में कोई भी पोस्ट आएगा, आई विल बी नोटिफाइड हियर इन द नोटिफिकेशन सेक्शन. सो फॉर समबडी स्पेसिफिक ऑल्सो, अगर आपको मिस्टर थोबिटी के पोस्ट देखने हैं कि उन्होंने जो भी पोस्ट किया है, आई कैन सी इट राइट अवे व्हेन आई ओपन स्टॉक सोशल, सो आई कैन गो टू हिज प्रोफाइल, आई कैन click on follow, since I'm currently following him already, I don't see the option of following, follow here, and I can click on notify will give me an option कि उन्होंने जो भी पोस्ट किए हैं उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मुझे यहाँ पे आ जाए right after I open the application. Okay. प्लीज रिपीट एफएनओ क्लब. एफएनओ क्लब सर, एफएनओ रिलेटेड क्वेरी हो, आप अगर आप फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस में ट्रेड करते हो, इफ यू ट्रेड इनटू फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस एंड यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एफएनओ ऑफ एनी स्टॉक, क्या होना चाहिए, यू कैन पोस्ट इट हियर, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर. ठीक है, 20 to 25 मिनट्स में यहाँ पे रिप्लाई आता है. व्हेन मार्केट इज ओपन देयर माइट बी लिटिल मोर देयर माइट बी लिटिल डिले आफ्टर द मार्केट्स आर क्लोज्ड, but prior to that you will get a reply here with respect to the future and option queries of any stock you would like to know. Okay, because I am new in StockEdge, so sir, आप बोले कि you have taken the StockEdge subscription recently and you want us to arrange a call by somebody from our team to explain you StockEdge Social. Sir, we can do only for StockEdge Social, but agar apart from that, if you have any question with respect to the application, you will have to attend these sessions, and apart uske baad we have a support team available. Uska number I'll share in the chat box, and you can reach out to us at the working hours. We'll try and help you out at our best possible way. जिन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है ना डॉक्टर, उनका मिस्टर सिन्हा, I would request you to please send me your number or email ID from which you have registered as stockist. I'll arrange a call back for you for sure, sir, tomorrow morning. Suppose I posted in technical club, I want to check all my post messages in this group. Is there any way to find out? I posted message in technical club. I want to check all my post messages in this group. Group wise, sir, you will not be able to do that, but however you can see all your posts on the home page. आप अगर कुछ पोस्ट कर रहे हो या फिर आप जिनको फॉलो करते हो उनके स्पेसिफिक पोस्ट, दैट विल कम टू योर होम. बट स्पेसिफिकली टेक्निकल क्लब का इफ यू हैव मेड एनी पोस्ट एंड यू वुड लाइक टू सी कि सिर्फ टेक्निकल क्लब में विच वन यू हैव मेड द पोस्ट, दैट्स करंटली नॉट पॉसिबल इन स्टॉक सोशल, सर. सो मिस्टर सिन्हा, आई एम सेंडिंग यू पर्सनली, आप हमें इस नंबर पे यू रीच आउट टू अस एट दिस नंबर. I have sent you the number. You can save this as stockist support, and you can reach out to us from Monday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. We are available. I'll also share the support number. I'll dictate it right away for everybody else also. The support number is 9830994402. Another number which we have specifically for club members, that is 6289906895. You can save these numbers, both these numbers, and you can reach out to us as mentioned in the as mentioned about the working hours. You can reach out to us and we'll help you out with any of your concerns. Okay, so this was about the social platform. However, I'll just like to take 5 more minutes time and give you an understanding कि if you are a club member, Dhananjay sir ने raise hand किया. Sir, anything you want to let me know? If you have any questions, put it in the chat box, please. I'll take it up for sure. We have another 15 minutes time maximum because there is another session scheduled at 7:30. If you're a club member, do attend that. It's an Ask the Expert session where you can ask your questions by experts. That is the green tick experts. So ask the expert. This is the session which we have today. If you're a club member, you will have an option to attend this session also. So today, Mr. Apurva Pandey will be taking from the Orchid Research team questions related to uh, market, obviously in general, or any stock specific as well. Now, being a club member, you have an option to choose webinars and courses. So, club अगर आपने लिया है subscription, उसमें आपको webinars and courses मिलते हैं. If your subscription is for a month, you will only be able to access one webinar for free. And if you have the club subscription annually or multi-year, you will have access to unlimited webinars and limited number of courses, basic courses on stock market in general for free. So how do you get access to that? Obviously, because the courses and webinars are conducted at our learning platform that is called eLearn Markets. So if you go to eLearn Markets and try to purchase these webinars and courses, you will be asked to make a payment. But being a club member, annual or multi-year, you have access to all those webinars and courses for free. But how do you access that? The process is you need to go to the website of StockEdge, that is StockEdge website. So web app is the application on the web. StockEdge Social is this club. If you have taken club, you will have full access to StockEdge Social. And website is for taking webinars or courses as a part of your club subscription. Now, how do you do that? Go to the stockage.com panel, click on dashboard. You will see the options webinars here. ठीक है, तो रिकॉर्डेड अपकमिंग जो भी वेबिनार्स है, अपकमिंग वेबिनार्स जो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहे हैं, the ones which you see here is a part of your club subscription, and you will be able to see these webinars for free. ठीक है, be it upcoming or recorded, and the access to webinars, if booked from here, will be accessible to you for lifetime. Like there is no limit, there is no expiry date of the webinars. So webinars are available for lifetime if you book it from here. And courses have validity of 3 years. Even after your plan expires, if your plan expires, you have booked the courses and webinars, you will be able to access them on your eLearn Markets platform. So let me just show you how this works. Make sure that you come to the stockage.com website first. Choose the desired webinar. ठीक है, अगर मैं कोई अपकमिंग वेबिनार अटेंड करना चाहती हूँ, से फॉर एग्जांपल ज्योति मैम का मैं ये वेबिनार अटेंड करना चाहती हूँ, दैट इज ऑन 7th of December. I'll just click on book now. Once I do that, I get a confirmation message here. After clicking on confirm, wait for 5 seconds. A pop-up will come, congratulations mentioning. ठीक है, तो मेरा ये वेबिनार बुक हो गया है. Since this is an upcoming webinar and our webinars are conducted from GoToWebinar platform, the details to join the session will be sent to my email, directly to my registered email ID from which I have taken this webinar. And also 24 hours prior, मेरे पास एक mail आएगा कि this session is tomorrow at this time. Again, 1 hour prior, you will get a notification on email, obviously on email only, कि this session is coming up in the next 1 hour. Please be ready to join in. ठीक है, so this is how the upcoming webinar works. For the recorded ones, how you can see it is कि चलो मुझे ये webinar लेना है सर का, चेतन सर का. ठीक है, so I click on book now. It's confirmed. ठीक है, I have booked it. I'll wait for 5 seconds. I've got the confirmation. Now I would like to see this recording. तो चेतन सर का मैंने webinar book किया है, इसकी मुझे recording देखनी है. I need to click on view recording. Now what you see, it will take you to the eLearn Markets website. So since I was already logged in, let me log out and show it to you again. So I click on view recording. It will take me to the eLearn Markets website and it's directly logging me in. In case if you are not logged in directly, it will ask you to log in with the same credentials which you have taken the plan. Log in and then you will be able to access the webinars and courses which you have taken as a part of your club subscription. This is somebody else's account. That's the reason, right? So now let me click on view recording. So once I click on view recording, you see, it will ask me to log into eLearn Markets. I'll use my email ID. Not this one. Sign in with Google. I've done. Now, my account, my webinars. ठीक है, तो जो अपकमिंग वेबिनार आई कैन सी हियर, पास्ट वेबिनार की जो रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी है मुझे, इफ आई वुड लाइक टू सी दिस वेबिनार जिस विच आई बुक्ड राइट नाउ, द वीडियो विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग ऑटोमेटिकली हियर, राइट। So this is for the recording how you can view it. So obviously अगर आपका जो webinar upcoming webinar है that will also be available under my account webinars tab. Once this is done, like on the 8th of September, sorry, 8th of December, I will be able to see it under the recorded ones and I can play the recording as well in case if you are not able to attend the session live on the set date. अगर आप कोई रीजन से मिस कर देते हो, you have access to the recording for lifetime. Similarly goes for the courses. So the courses which you see on this stockage.com platform, courses में जितने भी दिखते हैं आपको, these are basic courses as I said in Hindi and English. तो यहाँ पे अगर जितने भी कोर्स दिखते हैं आपको बुक नाउ पे क्लिक करना है, सेम प्रोसेस, क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट लर्निंग, इट विल टेक यू टू ई लर्न मार्केट्स एंड द वीडियो विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग ऑटोमेटिकली. हाय, इन दिस वीडियो वी विल, सो यू कैन सी द वेबिनार्स एंड कोर्सेज. क्लब मेंबर अगर आप एनुअल वाले हो तो यू हैव एक्सेस टू दीज वेबिनार्स एंड कोर्सेज. मंथली अगर आपने सिर्फ क्लब लिया है तो देयर यू विल बी ओनली एबल टू टेक वन वेबिनार. ठीक है, नो कोर्सेज, ओनली वन वेबिनार. What is the right time to call? Sinha sir ne asked किया है. So we are available from, as I said, from 9:30, from 10 a.m. in the morning till 8 in the evening, from Monday to Sunday. You can reach out to these two numbers at this specified time. What courses are free with 1 year club membership? जो सर मैंने यहाँ पे दिखा है, यहाँ पे जो आपको courses दिख रहे हैं, the ones which you see under the courses tab of stockage.com, these are the courses which you can avail for free. Can you please show it again regarding webinar page to access? Book webinar, I had TMP, right? So if you're a TMP member, sir, there's, I think currently we do not provide any club access to TMP members. But if you're a past member, you might have access to StockEdge club for 3 months or something like that. For regarding TMP, I will request you, sir, please reach out to your coordinator. They will be the best one to help you. So I'll explain it once again as there is Madhup sir has explained कि कैसे he wanted me to explain it once again कि webinar कैसे देखते हैं and courses like that. What you need to do is, let me close everything once again to give you a better understanding. I was on this Stockage social, right? Again, what simply I can do, from this square box, I can go to the website of Stockage, the third one. It will take me to stockage.com. I need to go to my profile, dashboard. The option is webinars and courses. Webinars, the one which you would like to take, you have the option to filter it out based on name, language difficulty, by date as well. You can book that. Once you click on book now, it will be available under the availed tab. जितने भी मैंने आज तक webinars लिए हैं, it is available under availed tab. And I would like to see the recording. I need to click on view recording. Since these webinars and courses are conducted at the platform eLearn Markets, that is our learning platform. For that, you'll have to go to eLearn Markets, log in with your email ID. Since I was already logged in, it had directly taken me to the recorded session. I need to click on view recording, log into eLearn Markets, and the video will start playing automatically here only. Hello, everyone. I hope this was clear, sir. Madhup, sir, and Mr. Patil. Great. So this brings me to the end of the session. If you have any questions, do let me know. I have, as I said, another 7 minutes time to start another session. Let me show you कि recording भी कैसे देखनी है आपको. Yes, daily session की जो recording है. Thank you, sir, for reminding. I'll just show you. It's very simple. Stockage में नहीं जाना, आपको कहीं नहीं जाना. You just need to go to YouTube. ठीक है? YouTube पे जाओ. Click on YouTube. You'll have to search here Stockage. So I'm already subscribed to Stockage, so I can see it on the left hand side. Stockage पे दिख रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे. Now click on the playlist thing, playlist tab. So you can see Stockage Smart Session. ठीक है? तो ये Smart Sessions की playlist है entirely. जितने भी sessions होते हैं, ठीक है? So 30th October, 29th October, 20th October. So all the playlist is available here entirely. जब से हमने ये सेशन स्टार्ट किए हैं उसकी पूरी प्लेलिस्ट यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगी। ठीक है। Hi ma'am, all courses with club memberships are not all courses which are available. Not all the courses are a part of StockEdge club membership. The ones which are available under stockage.com courses tab, वो ही सारे मिलेंगे आपको sir. Because on e-learn markets we have courses which are also live courses. So those are not a part of StockEdge club subscription. You can simply see the ones which you are eligible to take for free under the stockage.com panel. राइट। सो राज गौतम सर, आई हैव शोन यू कि कैसे आपको स्टॉकेज के जो सेशंस हो रहे हैं उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे देखनी है आपको। इट्स गो टू stockage.com एंड यू हैव टू सर्च, गो टू द स्टॉकेज यूट्यूब चैनल एंड वहां पे प्लेलिस्ट में एंटायर सेशंस दिख जाएंगे आपको। How to check these courses? Salim sir, again I'll repeat it once, one more time for you. stockage.com पे जाइए। फ्रॉम हियर आप स्टॉकेज वेबसाइट पे जाइए। दिस इज द स्टॉकेज वेबसाइट। यहाँ पे जाइए, go to your account, जो प्रोफाइल आइकन है यहाँ से go to dashboard. The courses tab which you see on the left hand side are the courses which you can avail for free. Salim sir, I hope this time I was able to make things clear for you. And if you are doing it from your phone, obviously you'll have to go to the any of your browser from your phone. फोन के कोई भी ब्राउजर में जाइए, आप वहां पे stockage.com टाइप कीजिए एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू do the same process. Not in M dashboard. Not sure sir, what are you saying? stockage.com login करने के बाद this profile icon you will get and dashboard. डैशबोर्ड में my dashboard sir, there is no my dashboard in stockage. It's just the dashboard and you see the webinars and courses here. The webinar attend link will be provided by email. Definitely, sir. If you have taken any upcoming webinar, let me show you my email which I from which I have logged in. So I booked this webinar. ठीक है, तो मुझे यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है ये अपकमिंग वेबिनार है। सो दिस इज एन अपकमिंग वेबिनार। Join webinar का link I am getting here. Right now I have booked the webinar and I am getting the link to join. If I click on this, it will take me to the go to webinar platform and I'll be able to attend it live. But obviously अभी तो बहुत time है. There is almost a month's time to attend this webinar. It's on December 7th. On December 6th at the same time I will be getting an email, reminder email कि सेशन टुमारो है, प्लीज अटेंड द सेम मेल आएगा आपके पास, एग्जैक्टली द सेम मेल विल कम एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन ज्वाइन वेबिनार. इन केस यू मिस दैट ऑल्सो, 1 hour प्रायर ऑल्सो, लाइक 7 बजे ये स्टार्ट होने वाला है तो 6 बजे आपके पास एक मेल आएगा, अगेन सेम मेल अगेन, एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक एंड यू विल बी देयर इन द लाइव सेशन. I have option only my account, not dashboard. Sir, I think you are going from e-learn markets. You need to make sure कि आप stockage.com से जा रहे हो. Sir, e-learn markets, there is sir, none of the questions are basic questions or beginner questions. We are open to all of the questions. It's just the time limit which we have. I'll quickly take up your question and reply to it. Sir ने पूछा है, I am sorry for a beginner question, but can you please help me to understand the difference between e-learn markets and stockage? तो सर, e-learn markets is our learning platform. वहां पे आपको कोर्सेज मिलेंगे, बेसिक से रिकॉर्डेड कोर्सेज मिलेंगे, लाइव कोर्सेज मिलेंगे, लाइव ट्रेडिंग रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन कोर्सेज मिलेंगे, ट्रेडिंग मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम मिलेगा विच इज एन एंटायर पैकेज फॉर लर्निंग ट्रेडिंग. सो दिस इज ई लर्न मार्केट्स जहां पे वेबिनार्स एंड कोर्सेज होते हैं. बट इफ इट इज स्टॉकेज में you get research based data. So stockage is an application, e-learn markets is a platform wherein you can do learning. वहां पे आपको learning ज्यादा मिलती है. And on stockage you get research data research करने के लिए भी मिलता है आपको, and you get calls and recommendations also, as you can see in the stockage social. Can you share normal stockage link? Normal stockage link क्या होता है सर? stockage web.stockage.com. is the one where you can, ma'am, can you please share normal stock, sir? I'll just give you the support number. Once again, I'm dictating 6289906895. I'm putting in the chat also 6289906895 and 9830994402. This is the number, support number. आप हमें अभी कॉल कर सकते हो next 10 minutes में. Our team will get, आप जो question है उनसे पूछो, they will reply, because I am short of time now. I just need to exit or the session will get ended automatically. Thank you everyone for being here, and it was lovely being helpful here. I hope I tried and give you, I tried my best to give you all the queries, response to all the questions. Do attend these smart sessions from Monday to Saturday to get a better understanding of stock is social. Thank you everyone for being here. Now this brings us to the end of the session. Thank you everyone.